Today we're going to be drawing a octagonal shape atrium. Now let's get right into it. First of all, we're going to draw horizontal line, and each side of the octagon measures 12 feet. Right? Before we start that, you have to set your units, create your layers, and modify your dimension lines. Let's take a quick run through on how we should do all that. I'm using a MacBook Pro, so I go here to format. So I go to dimension styles, click on standard, go on setting, click modify. You have to start from lines here, and I put 3 inches here for baseline spacing, 3 inches for extended beyond dimension lines, 3 inches here. This could stay at 1. Fixed length extension lines. Go on symbols and arrows. Arrow size 3 inches. Make sure you go through this. Break size 1. Jog height factor 3 inches. Change all these. This could remain. Jog the angle. Let's go to text. Text height 3 inches. Factor height scale, can leave that at 1. Offset from dimension lines 3 inches. Go to fit. Everything is good right here. Go to primary units. Change the precision to 1/4 of an inch. 0, 1/4 of an inch. That's good at 0, and that's it. Now we set our dimension styles. Let's check out the units. So type units. That's one of the first thing you should do, by the way. Type units, enter. Length, make sure you change this to architectural. It's architectural there. As I said, I went ahead before and I edited my settings. So precision, 1/4 of an inch, right here. Angle, degrees, and you can click clockwise here, select clockwise, and insertion scale unit, feet, because we're going to be working in feet and inches, and that's okay. So now we have set our units and our layers. All right, let's go up. Let's click on layers. So you double click on layers, find a new layer. I've already added dimension lines. I have this at yellow. My doors purple. Outline of the object is in white, and the windows are going to be in green. So I created 1, 2, 3, 4 layers here, different colors. All you have to do, click on new layer, and then you label your layer according. Okay, let's delete that layer since we're not using it. Okay, now let's start. Let's turn on ortho. It's already on when it's not highlighted. It's off when it's highlighted. Right here it's on. It allows you to draw only 90-degree angles, perpendicular lines. Alright, let's click on line. It says specify the first point. We're going to start right here. Let's change it, the type of line to outline. Now we go on format, click layers. We're going to select outline because the outline should have a white color. Click on line. We're going to start right here. 12 feet, type 12 feet. Not 12 F-E-E-T, you have to type 12 and then the single quotation mark for feet. Press enter. Let's try it. Okay, right, it's right there. That's 12 feet. Okay. Now we're going to draw a line on this side. Start here. Let's take off ortho. Now this should be at a 45-degree angle, right? So we're going to type. Alright, let's draw this line first. Let's turn on ortho again. We're going to draw this line 12 feet. Enter. Escape. We're going to select the line that we drew. Then we're going to type rotate. Press enter. It says specify the base point right there, and it says specify rotation angle. I'm going to type A. Press enter. Then I'm going to type 45, and it goes right down there. I'm going to draw another line here. That's going to be 12 feet again. Enter. Then I'm going to select the line, rotate, Press enter. It says escape. Rotate. Specify the base point, and then press A for angle, press enter, then type 315. Because it reads clockwise, so if we have to type 315 as if it's going around in a complete revolution, which is 360. So we type 315. Okay, vertical lines. So we're gonna go here, 12 feet, enter. We're gonna type 12 feet again right there, enter. We're gonna rotate this, rotate, specify the base point right here, stay for angle, type 40, let's type 45. Okay, we're gonna go here, 12 feet again, go here, 12 feet, enter. Then we are going to select the line and rotate it. Type rotate, enter, specify the base point. Let's try that again. Rotate, enter. Right. 12 feet. Sometimes you have to do these commands over and over. Rotate, specify the base point. Let's type let's type school 7. Let's type 315. Skip. We can join this manually. We can highlight everything, type join, leave it at that. We're gonna select it, offset, enter, 8 inches. Right, let's join it first. Join. Then everything should be looking like that. After we join it, we can offset, select it, OFF, offset distance 8 inches. We're gonna do it on the inside. Okay. So now we're gonna find the center of this. We can draw a line from here, touching this center. Another line. This one touching that center. And we need one more from this midpoint touching midpoint. Let's do one from here as well. Okay, so now we have our octagon and we offset. It's a floor plan, by the way, okay? Now we're going to do the windows and the doors. So the windows and doors have a wideness of 3 feet. So we're going to create the windows and the doors one time. So the window is, alright, let's do one window here first and then copy it. So we're going to click on 9. Draw a line there. Which is half of 1 foot, half of 3 feet is 1 foot dash 6 inches. Escape. So that's 1 foot 6 inches. I'm gonna change this to the window layer. Windows should turn green. Then we're gonna go on this side. 1 foot dash 6 inches. Enter. escape that. Draw a line there. Didn't go. Alright, let's select the line. It probably, yeah, it was done. Right click, move to layer. What we're gonna do, we're gonna turn on the Windows layer. So we're gonna go to format, go to layers, turn on layers for Windows. This should turn green. Just double click on it. All you have to do is double click. Now we're going to draw a line from here, touching right there. Let's go on this side, line from there, touching there. Then we draw one from here, touching there. Let's measure this, check if it's 3 feet. 3 feet, nice. Now, I'm gonna click on this line. I'm gonna offset, press enter, specify, let's offset 2 inches. I'm gonna go on this side, offset on that side, offset in the center. Okay, I'm gonna draw another line in the center here. And down. So I'm gonna offset this. One inch on each side. So 1 inch on this side, 1 inch on this side. So everything is 2 inches. So we can delete that. Let's escape the command. Type in by clicking on escape. Delete that portion. Now let's offset this. Offset, enter, specify distance 2 inches, enter. Click there. Click again. Now we're gonna trim. Click on that little scissors right there. And click right there. And that's my window right there. Let me take this one off. And this one. Okay, so that's gonna be my window. Alright. Let me create a door up here now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extend this line up here so I don't have to. Okay. Let me click that square. Let me copy it, copy. Press enter. Select base point. We're gonna select the center here. Because we want to match it with this center right here. Yeah, so this is going to be our door space. So we're going to delete these lines. I mean, there are more than one ways to skin the cat. You know, we could do it another way, but this is my way. I'm going to open get the door space opened. Select that line. Select this. Select that. Now the door space is now 3 feet wide. Okay. So now we're going to draw a rectangle. So draw a rectangle. Specify the first corner. I'm going to type D for dimension. D. Enter. It says specify the length. So we want it's a 2 inches by 4 inches. So we type 4 inches first. 4 inches. Enter. And just specify. Let's go again. Escape. Click rectangle. Start there. So specify dimension. Type D. Specify the length 4 inches. Enter. Specify the width 2 inches. Enter. Here we have. Oh, yeah. Let's try again. specify the first corner, then type D, press enter, type 4 inches, enter, 2 inches, enter. It's gonna ask you for the length and the width. Then I'm gonna rotate this. So specify the base point right here. Escape. So we're gonna move this. Click on it, type M for move. Make sure you move the cursor, type M, enter. Okay. Now let's get this in the center. Okay. Get that. Then for move, select the midpoint, and then put it in the midpoint. Okay. Let's copy this. Copy, enter. Get the center right there. Match it with this center. Let's escape. Now, I'm going to draw a line that represents the swing of the door. So we're going to go right here. So specify the first point right there. Let's just draw a random line. Then we're going to draw an arc. So it says click on arc, specify the center, type C for center, press enter. Center of the arc is right there. End point. It says specify the start point. And then you bring it up like that. Okay. Right, so we can now trim these extra edges. Nice. Now we have a window and we have our door. Let's copy this. We're gonna copy a couple of these. So I'm gonna select the door itself. This arc here. Copy. Select the base point. Right here, we're gonna put one here. Now we're gonna rotate this 315. So rotate. Specify the base angle. Type 315. Enter. Okay. Let's copy this box. Copy this one over here. I'm gonna put one there, one here. So we're gonna join this together. Let's try it. No. Let's rotate it. Rotate. Enter. Base point right there. Type 315. Enter. This. Rotate. Enter. Specify the base point. Right there, let's type 45 for that. Okay, good. Now we're gonna move these now. So highlight everything. Type M for move, enter, specify the base point. Let's select the center here. We're gonna match with gap center. We're gonna move this one, N for move, press enter, select the middle, and then shine to that middle. Now we could trim this up. Click on the scissors, we're gonna get the space for the door one there. Delete, delete, exit. Highlight, press type M for move, enter, select the base, select the center again. We're gonna match it with this center here. We're gonna trim. Let's get that old command. Click on trim. Line there, line there, line there, line there, line there, line there, line there. Press escape. I'm gonna have to rotate this one. Type rotate. Enter. Base point is something right there. Type 45. Enter. Highlight once again. Click on M for move. Enter. Zoom in. We're gonna select the center of it and match it with the center right there. So now we have three doors. Now we need to get the windows now. So we're gonna get a window on each side. Let's see if we can copy this whole window here. Okay. Let's copy a whole window. And then we're gonna modify. We're gonna copy and then rotate accordingly. So let's copy. Copy. Select the base point. We're gonna put a window there, one there, and one there. Escape. And we're gonna highlight this window. We're gonna rotate. Press enter, select the base point. That's good enough. Let's rotate this one. Enter, select the base point. Okay, nice. So let's rotate this one. Rotate. Select this right here. It's 315. Alright, let's move this one over this side. So M, let's enter. So select escape. Let's move the cursor. Type M. Press enter. So specify the base point. We're gonna select the center. Then we're gonna move it on this side right there and match it with that center right there. Enter. Let's move this. Move the cursor. Type M. Press enter. Specify the base point. Let's type with the center again because we want to match it with this center repeatedly. Okay, we're gonna move this one. And for move, enter. Select the midpoint again. Zoom out. Connect it to that midpoint right there. And it should fit perfectly. Okay. So we need one more window. Let's rotate that one first. Let's enter. Select the base point, type 315 degrees. Should sound that way. Let's rotate once again. Rotate this point. That's 315. Let's start 45. Right, so yes.
How are you?
Not bad. Rotates. Yeah.
Maybe one day.
Enter base point 315. Alright, back to the drawing. Let's fit this one in. And for move, enter. This line wasn't selected. So type M for move. Enter. This one. Move on this side. Let's rotate this. Yes. These points all the way around. Then we're gonna move it. Flip the center. And there you have it. We can delete all these. In the center. Excuse me. So we can put on the dimension lines now. So let's switch to dimension lines. Layers, and then double click on dimension. It should show up there. Enter. Scroll down. Click on this dimension. Come on, start dimensioning. And then 5 feet. Should say 12 feet on this side. Let me check. They have a line in the center and down. Click on dimension lines. This one to this one. Should be 6. dimension. Six. Six. Nine. And here. These up. Afternoon, buddy. What's up?
Started me and Maria, me and Riley were trying to figure out the clue.
I'm not sure.
Like we thought it would be something about TV.
Check Miss Roll, Miss Simone Roll. Don't- Okay, so we gotta put the dimension. This one here. Dimension. So draw a line from here. It's not writing it. We need a closed loop. Investigate. Okay, dimension. So right here. Need to work out. Need to have a closed loop. We can do this one. This one. Let's do these two circles in the middle. Let's find the midpoint. Draw a line from the midpoint here to the midpoint on this side. Escape, draw another line. And this midpoint, straight up to that midpoint. And trim, just like this. Oh, we don't have to, let's draw a circle. Center of the circle right here. Pick 4 feet, enter another circle. Specify the center, and this is 3 feet. Now we're gonna convert these to, we're gonna move into the outline layer. Okay. Now we have almost finished. Let's see what we can do with it. Just like it. You can delete these lines. And that's it. That is it. Let's draw some lines and offset them. Let's draw a line here. And this one. This one. So we're gonna click on offset. Let's do 6 inches. Let's do turn on auto. Enter. So let's start battery. Undo. Offset. 1 foot. Okay, let's use 1 foot for this. So offset.
Yeah, bro.
What going, my boss? So these lines were offset at a distance of 1 foot. Now I'm gonna trim it up. Round and round we go. Clean up with trim. Okay. Finish cleaning up. Clean it up. Okay. I'm gonna turn these lines into outlines. And select as much as possible. Okay. And there we have it. That's it. This is what it's gonna look like after we hatch everything and put the dimensions on. Thank you.